Well, hey guys, I just unboxed my new Wahl's Deep Tissue Precision Therapeutic Massager. This is model number 4290-500. Well, let's quickly look and see what's in the box. Of course, in the box you get the massager and you get some paperwork. Looks like tells about the attachments. And it comes with 4 attachments. This one right here is the deep muscle tissue massager. This is your 4 fingers flex attachment. This is your Accupoint attachment. And this is your flat disc attachment. We'll go over them again in a little more detail here in just a minute. But what I want to show you, this particular one has a variable speed. I'm going to turn this on so you can hear it. Pretty quiet, but it does give a lot of power and you can adjust the sensitivity of it. It's also got an 8-foot cord, so you got a lot of room. And what I like is this ergonomic handle, so you can actually reach. You can even reach way down to your low back if you need to. To change your attachments, all you got to do is just screw the attachment off, pick the one you want to use, and just screw it right on. Simple as that. Okay, this first attachment is the deep muscle attachment. I'm going to turn it wide open. I'm going to be honest, that feels very good. The 4-finger flex attachment is made to replicate a human touch. So it feels like you're getting an actual human massage. The Accupoint attachment is made to pinpoint precise areas. Last, the flat disc head is just for general all over body use. Well, this massager goes up to 3,350 pulses per minute on a variable speed, so you can have as little a massage as you want or as intense a massage as you want. Well, if you're looking for a deep tissue precision therapeutic massager, this Wahl's model number 4290-500 just might be the one for you. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you out a little bit. Hope it helped you decide whether you want this particular model or not. Hey, if it helped you out, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Till next time, I'll catch you later.